HVAC repair guy here. You might know me from my 17 years in the trenches, but before I ever touched a residential condenser, I was a nuclear power electrician. In the Navy, good enough doesn't exist. You either understand the system or you're in the dark. That's the mindset I bring to your backyard. Today, we're doing a heavy hitter matchup. LG versus Rheem. We are looking at the ultimate category. For LG, that's the Art Cool Premier series. For Rheem, we're pitting it against their Prestige series. These are both top shelf, high performance inverters, so let's see which one actually earns its keep. Starting with the build, both units are designed for the long haul. LG uses a GoldFin coated coil, which is a hydrophilic coating that helps shed water and resist corrosion. Essential if you live near the coast or in high humidity areas. Rheem counters with their own coated coil technology and a focus on chassis durability. When we talk about staying power, these coatings are the difference between a 10-year lifespan and a unit that rots out in 5. Now, let's talk tech. Both of these machines are inverter-driven variable speed systems. They don't just flip on, they find the exact cooling level needed to keep your room steady. They ramp up and down smoothly, saving you a fortune on the electric bill and keeping the temperature rock solid. Efficiency-wise, LG's Art Cool Premier is a beast with a 22.5 to 25.5 SEER2 rating depending on the specific BTU size. Rheem's Prestige series is no slouch either, hitting up to 20 SEER2. Let's talk brass tacks, the 2020-26 pricing. For the LG Art Cool Premier, you're looking at an average equipment cost of $2,250 for the outdoor condenser. Once you factor in a professional installation, the total project for a single zone usually lands between $4,500 and $6,000. Rheem's Prestige series is a bit more aggressive on pricing, with equipment often found around $1,800 to $2,200. And total installed costs typically ranging from $4,000 to $5,500. Before we hit the final verdict, here is a quick pro tip. I don't care how much you spent on the unit. If you don't clean your indoor air filters every month, you're killing the compressor. Wash them out, let them dry, and your unit will thank you. Finally, the warranty battle. LG offers a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. Rheem matches that with a 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but often adds a limited unit replacement warranty on their Prestige models if the compressor fails early. So, who wins? If you want the absolute peak of efficiency and a sleek, modern look, LG Art Cool Premier takes the trophy. But if you're looking for the best bang for your buck in the ultimate category, with a slightly lower installed price and solid dealer support, Rheem is the contractor's choice. Shop like a pro by using the comparison tools over at HVAC for beginners to compare more brands.